Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you may not have a proper app for viewing this content in 2022. So guys, basically it's appear when someone sent you a PDF on WhatsApp and you are trying to open it, so it's appear. So for fixing this, what you have to do is just open WhatsApp and open a particular account which sent you a PDF. So you can see here a PDF, it's not opening. If in case of you, if it's not opening, then what you have to do is just hold this one and then tap on three dots here. So you can see here share options, so tap on this and you can see here drive, so just simply tap on drive and rename your title. Just simply tap on save. So you can see here drive is connecting your files and folders. So just go back and open drive. So just tap on files and you can see here folder of Wasim is uploading here. And you can see here time 3:53 p.m. and you can see here also. So just tap on this and you can see here, so it's done now. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.